Hey, so what's up, guys? Happy Easter. We are back with our Part 7 Epoxy Beginners class. And we've shown you everything up to this point. Me and Tom had a busy last few days, and we had to go ahead and pretty much walk this down to the finish. We want to show you and tell you about it so we can make sure you don't miss anything. But check it out. So there it is. We got the vein work in it, the edges, just everything hits like glass. We got that glitter in there. That's actually in the pigment. We did put a little bit of that blue in there. We weren't going to at first, and we ended up doing it anyway. But I really want to hone in on the edge work. Okay, the edge work is just pristine. It turned out super slick, super good. And look, love it when those veins hit right there on the corner like that. So what we did is the last time you all had seen it, it was literally blacked out and it looked really cool, but the veins were not there. So if this is your first time tuning in, we have videos on our page that show you exactly, it's the Montana marble spray. Show you exactly how to do it. Matter of fact, here you go. There's a can of it right there. Okay, it comes in a variety of colors. It'll put these cool little graphics in there for you. It's kind of like a silly string is the best way I can explain it. So it always does the trick if you don't want to use pigment and things of that nature to put your vein work in. These are ideal to get your veins. You know, anybody can do this at that point. It's just shooting it right out of a can. As you can see, we've got quite a few of them over here, even the gold. So we were trying to keep the same scheme as our commercial bar. So this is going to be going at the bottom of the staircase. And just in case you haven't seen it, let me tune you in real quick to the commercial bar. Check it out so you can see that this is going to match that. All right, you guys, welcome back to our next one. This is going to be So there you go. Now you can see how we went about that. And like I said, it's right on our page. Shooting the veins. All we did was put a clear flood coat over the top of that about 15 minutes after we shot the veins in there. Super simple. And it just makes a really elegant look. It's going to put a really nice look to that staircase coming down or going up. About as simple as you can get. So we do have, we've got a 36-inch bath vanity coming up that we're going to be doing. That's going to be really awesome, and we have some other epoxy pieces coming up as well. We've got a couple of showers coming up, just all the goodies. So be sure and tune in, don't miss out. And anything you want to know, to do, anything like that about epoxy, just check out our page. We break it all the way down for you so that it makes it as simple as possible for people to achieve that in their journey. Happy Easter, you guys, and until the next one, we'll see y'all back real soon.